guys, guess what today is? It's Mystery Mail Day, but here's the thing. It's not American Girl, but it is from Target. And I'm super excited. I don't know what it is. Really, only my mom knows. I really want to get opening. Guys, it's super cool. It's super cool. Guess what it is? Guys, it's the L.O.L pop-up store M2 case. It's so cool. I'm gonna go right here and cut the tape off. Whoa, guys. That is super cool. Look at it. The beautiful. Oh, I think you bring this down for some reason. There. What's this? What doll is this? Well, I have a doll. I bet her outfit's hidden in here somewhere. Well, now I have a new doll. Her selfies. Oh, I think the store comes out. No. Well, this is where I got it. I just did that. I think her outfit's in here. It looks like we have to find it. It's like a jelly bottle. Oh! Take that out. Looks like it comes out. Yep, it does. The accessories in there, like that. A ton of surprises! Guys, isn't this so cool? A little backpack, and you can actually put her in your top. Some sunglasses. Shoes! Look at these shoes! They're like high heels. Hopefully, this is her outfit. Or she's going to be a naked baby. Please say this is her outfit. Yay! It's her outfit! No, I'm going to surprise you when it all looks on her. That's why I didn't show you the outfit yet. This is what she looks like with this. But, take off her sunglasses. I like that. Her bottle is so pretty. It's like this jelly thing. And guys, she only comes with this. She's exclusive. She's so pretty. Do you see how pretty her hair is? And like, see her little backpack with wings and her earrings. So, we're gonna check out the rooms, but first we're gonna put her back in her little hang. Oh, actually, but this is gonna go in her hangout, her pictures. This is what you're supposed to do with it. We're just gonna put her on the stand and put her right there. I'm just gonna take that down and show you this room first. And there's this room. It has little pet things in it, and there's a little scoop from the pet season. If you have it, there's a pet food and that, and pet bed, and pet food. There's not very much stuff in there. This room there's a little picture of a baby and a girl and sunglasses and binkies. She's so cute. And just so you know, this flips out like I said. And this, we did that side, so let's. So this is how you do it. You can only bring this part, and this is even heavy. It seriously is. Right there it says missing. Have you seen my meow? Right there. This one is a broken heart. There's some things scared there. This is L.O.L. That's from the candy map. And it says mixed swag was here. And I think this is mixed swag. And there's more cans. And I think we found her missing kitty paws. And this is a cool thing. There's someone right here. And there's like a little candy shop. And then there's these pet stores. This one, a mall, inside of a mall. Isn't that cool? There's that room, 2, dressing room, 2. You can even see the doll's little shoes. I think this is the princess and that doll and that doll. Look, these dresses gold and that one. Okay, guys, I have all of these dolls. I have that skirt and that dress. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Now it's time to get to the best part. Wait, she is gonna lift up something really heavy. Under wraps, guys! It's a new season. There's a rarest from the collection, and I'll show you. I've never done a L.O.L video before. The only videos I've been doing is in there. And there's no clue inside. Order right here. And you have to use it. See these guys? If you get it under wrap doll, you take out the magnifying glass and do this. And it reveals a secret message. And the secret message says, getting closer. In like a creepy way. The right code to unlock it. Like there's a crown and a diamond, very nice, and there's a peace and love, and lemon. But everyone's different. And last time it was lemon candy and like that. I'm gonna find a heart, not peace and love. Rain and shine, not rain and shine. That heart and we find a nice note. It was the leprechaun thing. What's our surprise? We have, oh, I didn't get this down before. We have these like gold shoes. I bet I'm gonna like this stuff. Now, what's this side? Is it leprechaun? Nope. Heart, peace and love. It's like a gold and purple bottle. Now, what is, we have one more code. Is it? It's not the leprechaun. Is it Candy Lemon? Yep, it's Candy Lemon. Finally! This is her dress. Ooh, that's super pretty! Is it candy lemon? No! Is it a crown? Yay! Dahlia. Ooh, look at that. This is her disguise. There's a rattlesnake on top. Okay, now let's take off her mask. She's super pretty. I'm just gonna skip the whole thing and take off her whole mask. So guys, I got a great baby. She cries or she spits out of her ears. She's right there. Glam Club. Okay, she's kind of really fancy like the other girl, as you can see. But just look at these cute boots. I really like the pop-up play storage. I want to organize all my dolls because here's the thing. My brother rips up my dolls' heads. He's so mean. Guys, thank you so much for watching my first LOL doll video. So, guys, bye. This time it's a